Second gear. I don't know. Looks nice though. Can you play it for me? We're gonna do a fun vid. Vorsey, you're gonna smoke test your car. All right. It's about time I start supervising. Instead of...
There's oil on my promise.
Double check. It's kind of low.
Is it?
Yeah. You need more oils, bro. Okay. One side looked like it was low. I would add some.
Yeah, that line was too long for that oil change, so we left. When I called you the other day?
Oh yeah, I can add you some oil. Better safe than sorry.
Absolutely. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna put shorts on. It's so hot outside.
No, yeah.
It's freezing.
The sun goes down and it's freezing cold. That's the tightest cap. Let me find my funnel.
I have a funnel.
You do? Funnel. So one thing that I'm realizing is, okay, this is just like to your boost gauge. Yeah, that's just like a boost gauge.
Oh.
Yeah,
Since we're here, I'm gonna add some of that.
Oh, you're fine. Yummy. The German stuff. Can't have you having like ringlet failure due to no oil.
The turbo flutter is insane though.
Yeah?
It's like insane. Yeah. Like I don't even care my car's not running good. That turbo flutter just sounds so good.
I saw this really cool video of a Raptor. I think I reposted it. And I don't know what the guy had to make it sound that good. Because I get my little blow-off sound when I like really quickly...
Is yours a V8?
No, it's V6.
V6 twin turbo?
Yeah. And so I can get like the blow-off to go off, but you have to be very quick to remove your foot off the throttle.
Okay.
If you do it slowly, like, you know, it's very conservative. Or you have to get it into a lot of boost in this mode.
Okay.
So it doesn't leak.
So it doesn't leak.
So it doesn't, yeah, kind of leak under very low vacuum driving. As long as it fits in here.
It's so scrunched.
Yeah, it'll fit.
Should I put this in first?
Yeah, I want to get you a good actual... Okay, shove it in there. Yeah. What?
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 Bing
Easy?
bow.
Bada bing, bada boom. You got a bee in here?
I'm in the way of everything.
Sorry.
Oh, don't be sorry.
Try not to break it.
Okay.
Yeah. Get out. The Arnold.
The Arnold.
King wherever. All right, now for the smoke test. Can you pop that like on here? It should hold it, and then you can connect the positive and negative thingies, and we're just gonna start. It's pretty quick.
This won't come down? It's not too heavy?
Nah.
I'll take that for you.
That's a good zip tie.
Clear.
If you put it on, it's not going to start because it has a power switch.
Okay.
Just put on red on there.
Shut
scared you. God. Wow, that fitting is better than all the other fittings on the car. All right. My friend. We gonna do this. It's so anticlimactic. You ready?
Ready.
It takes a minute. Full reset type of deal. Okay. Let's see what it learns here. Vorsi, my tuner. I mean, it's not bad. Let's see, as long as it doesn't go up crazy. If it does keep going up, it could signify an issue with an injector or a O2 sensor. But we'll go for a quick spin. Nothing too crazy or far.
Clutch is hard.
Clutch.
Is it weird driving a manual since you haven't had it?
Yeah, you're right. I haven't driven a manual in a while. Oh, at least it's a nice day.
You just run stop signs in my car.
Oh, I always run that one. Someone commented on the YouTube. I'm like, that's by my house. Like, just don't want it to stall out because I know it might if it's full reset. We'll see. When I come to this stop, I might need to pull the handy brake. Sorry. Please don't stall. Oh, no, it's all right. Something's changed since last time. Feels a little. Oh yeah, it's the clutch. It's a little tighter.
Not so squeaky.
It still feels so light. Like driving a BMW now, it feels so heavy in comparison. I guess that's why they up the power so much in those. It looks like the AFRs are back to normalish. It's also back to normal there. So that's a good sign. Oh, I didn't want to gun it. Hello, neighbors. Oh, dude, people love to really cut this corner.
You can kind of tell.
Like, we have a humongous turn. Yeah, I've almost been in a head-on collision here before. Like, you're supposed to kind of, you know how they teach you in driver's ed? You're supposed to go all the way out and then
all the way up.
and pull a 90. No, nobody does that. I love the ah, nice. I missed that. The little sneeze.
I was waiting for your face too. I was like,
It's been a while.
Yeah. This car's come a long way.
And then fifth. Yeah, everything looks good. I think we fixed it. It just needed that reset. You just needed that new lug nut I gave you.
We didn't tighten it.
Good and tight. It's gonna fly off.
Yeah, we didn't tighten it.
Maybe I can get into a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, seems smooth. It's interesting with the quick release how much closer it is to you.
Yeah.
It's a few inches, but it feels your hands are bent,
Yeah.
like you're more in a race position.
I hate the curve release.
You don't like it? You want your cruise control buttons back?
Yep.
We're just gonna do a UE here. This is my usual spot. Whoops. Yeah, it feels smooth. Oh, that's what I'm waiting for. That sound. Oh, it has a pop still. I thought maybe with the change of the blow off it would go away, but it's still there. Second gear.
Feels good, huh?
It's nice. It's like a clean wastegate sound. Feels great. I'm happy. Explosion. You see any knock in there? You're like, I don't know what I'm looking at. Yeah.
Where's the knock one?
It'll be one of these feedback, and there'll be a minimum and a maximum. Do you see any negative numbers?
I don't see any.
If you don't see any net minuses, that's good.
I don't see any minuses. In the feedback knock correction, I see a negative 2.8.
Okay, so it pulled up a little bit. What I can do, probably not right now, but I'll revise your tune a little bit to pull back like a degree. Because it's better that I pull back the timing in the tune than your ECU do it itself.
Okay.
Because it feels less smooth when the ECU does it itself. So yeah, I'll adjust it, but you should be back to normal. Hopefully, presumably no more check engine. I think it was a combination of some leaks and maybe the intake.
Okay.
But I mean, I don't know how quickly previously that issue came back for you.
I got
To your house. Well, the adjustments now are within spec, like under 5% is good. So that's the learned.
Okay.
So within 5% is good.
Yeah, I got back to my house, no check engine light. I was driving to work normal.
Uh-huh.
And then I went around the roundabout, bam, check engine light.
Okay. You're like, didn't even get to floor it.
Didn't even get that kid on. I'm so scared to get on this thing.
Why not?
Like, I don't want to break it.
But bro,
Like we built it for that.
we're building you an engine in the garage.
In the garage.
Garage.
Karate in the basement.
Karate. Vorsey, thanks for fixing your car for me.
Absolutely.
Keep an eye on the oil. That would be a bad thing if it just broke. You know, if you lost enough oil over time.
Yeah, that's probably the best. I try to check my gas every time I
Get gas.
Get gas,
Yeah. Just keep it on the full.
But it sounds heavy, or a lot.
It sounds a lot cleaner. Yeah, when you came over, it was kind of like making an air leak sound.
Yeah, thank you, brother. Thank you.
Sweet, bro. Take it easy.
Yes.
Bye. You too.